Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I have a super easy one for you today. It's a homemade cake from scratch using only 3 ingredients. Technically known as Coppa cake. This recipe was made famous from the iconic 80s movie Steel Magnolias starring Julia Roberts, Dolly Parton, the iconic country singer, and Julia Roberts. And Dolly Parton, known as Truvy in the movie, talked about this cake. All you need is 1 can of fruit cocktail. I'm using extra cherries, 1 cup of flour, and 1 cup of sugar. I have a little bit of softened melted butter at room temperature to oil my pan. And I'm going to spray it with Pam because I don't want it to stick. This takes about 35 to 45 minutes. You can have it ready in 1 hour. It's super sweet. It's technically known as a cobbler. But what makes this really good, if you add it with some ice cream, it cuts the sweetness. So I'm going to go ahead and get everything set up. Let's get cooking. Okay everyone, this recipe is super easy. You take 1 cup of flour, and then you add 1 cup of sugar. And like I said, it's technically a cobbler, but it's listed in all the recipe books as a cake. And then you just need 1 can of fruit cocktail. And this cooks for about 40 to 45 minutes in a 350-degree oven. I have it already preheated. And I'm going to grease my pan, and I'm going to also spray it. Now this cake, like I said, is delicious. It is great if you need to do a late night dessert or take it to a potluck, or one of your children comes home and says they have to have something for a bake sale. You can double, triple this recipe and get it all ready and let it cool for about 20 minutes and cut it, and it's all set. And like I said, it's super sweet, but like I said, you can cut that with some ice cream, serve it with some ice cream or some whipped cream. So I've got that all mixed, and then I'm going to take I'm going to use a glass baking dish so you guys can see that. And I have some softened room temperature butter that I'm just going to put all over the dish. I guess you probably could use oil, but butter gives it more flavor. And I'm going to spray it because those that know me know I don't like a lot of cleanup. Welcome to my channel. I'm Jennifer. I upload 2 videos a week. Thanks for watching. And now I'm going to spray this with some Pam. See how easy this is? This only takes, like I said, a couple of minutes to get ready. And you just spoon this into your baking dish. I've made this a couple times before. You know, those that know me know I'm not a big fan of fruit, but this is super easy. And technically, it is a homemade cake because I'm not using a box. So I'm going to go ahead and put this in the oven at 350 degrees for 45 minutes and come back. And don't forget, you know, I have a great inspirational quote and a great joke to tell you guys, so I'll be right back. Okay everyone, I'm going to go ahead and take it out of the oven so you can see it. And adjust your oven times because everybody's oven is different. My oven, it took exactly 1 hour, and I have an electric oven. So you see, let me put my mittens on so you can see it. It's supposed to be cracked at the top, which it is. And you can make this, like I said, really fast with some staple items, flour, sugar. Most people don't have fruit cocktail, but like I said, I chose to get the fruit cocktail that had extra maraschino cherries in there, because when I grew up in the 70s, the whole can only came with 1 cherry, and I think it looks prettier like this. So if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. Let me go ahead and tell you guys my joke. After 10 years, a wife started to think that their child kind of looked strange. So she did a DNA test and found out the child is not theirs. She told her husband what she found out. The husband replied, "You don't remember? You don't remember, do you? When we were leaving the hospital, the baby pooped and you told me to go change him. So I went back in and got a clean one and left the dirty one there." The wife fainted. So that's my joke. I thought that was pretty cute. Like I said, you can double or triple this if you need to do a potluck or you kids have a bake sale. Once this cools, it needs to cool for 20 minutes, and it's super sweet. So if you don't like super sweet desserts, I would suggest you cut this with some ice cream. So I want to thank everybody for watching. Welcome to my channel. Have a good evening, and God bless.